If you want to start a career as a data analyst, don't get confused by too many tools. Follow this simple and practical roadmap used in the real world. First, start with Excel. Excel is the foundation of data analysis. Learn how to clean data, use formulas, pivot tables, and basic charts. Most companies still rely on Excel for daily reporting, so mastering Excel is your first big step. Second, learn Power BI. Power BI helps you turn raw data into interactive dashboards and reports. Here, you learn how to visualize data, connect different data sources, and explain insights clearly to management. Dashboards are what decision makers actually see, so this skill is extremely valuable. Third, learn SQL. SQL is used to fetch data from databases. As a data analyst, you will often work with large datasets stored in databases, not Excel files. SQL allows you to filter, join, and analyze data efficiently and accurately. Finally, learn Python. Python takes your data analysis skills to the next level. It helps with advanced analysis, automation, handling big datasets, and real-world problem solving. Python is not required on day one, but it gives you a strong advantage in the job market. Start with Excel, move to Power BI, then SQL, and finally Python. This is the real, practical path to becoming a data analyst. Start learning today, stay consistent, and let your skills speak for you. Asterisk.